in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default scaling or interpolation on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side, select Tool Options, and then on the right side, if you scroll down here, where it says Scaling, Default, Interpolation, click the drop-down and you can select either None, Linear, Cubic, Non-Halo, or Low Halo, and then you would select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.